So when you go to use Scracth Jr., you're going to want to click either of these, it doesn't matter, home or school. And then to start a new project, you're going to click the house to bring you home, and then click the plus sign. That's going to create a new project for you. So today I'm going to show you how to create an algorithm for the sprite, which is the cat or the character that you see on the screen. You can drag the cat to where you want. And the other thing you're going to want to do is click this picture icon up here to give it a background. And I bet this is going to look pretty familiar to what you did last week. So I'm going to actually click the ocean background, and I'm going to click check. And I am going to move Scratch here, and I'm ready to get started. So the first thing we need to do when we're coding in Scratch is give it a trigger block. So what that means is we're going to click the yellow, and we're going to drag down this piece here with the flag on it. I'll explain that. So a trigger block will start the code. So when you click the flag, it will make the code work. Now we're going to click the blue button here to give Scratch some motion. I'm going to use these arrows here to create an algorithm. Now, one of the great things about this is that these pieces click together. So I want Scratch to go forward, and then I want him to go up, and then I'm going to have him go forward, and then I'm going to have him turn a little bit. All right. So now I have my algorithm written, I have my series of steps ready for him to go, and I'm going to click the flag up top, and we're going to see what he does. There we go. And I can keep clicking that over and over again to see him do it, and it will start him all over. Now, if you make a mistake, you can take the code and just drag it off the screen, and you're all set.